sounds good. So guys, don't know what you heard. It sounds actually really loud. It's the first time I caught the tail end of it. Was the first time. It's pretty loud, even at idle. It's a lot different than on the phone. I'm pretty sure when I came over here and I said that it's loud, you heard like dun 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 dun. So I wanted to know what that was, but I wanted to make sure what it was, just in case it was something, because we heard that was over there. It was like, and it was like like I don't know what that was. I was skeptical, and I was like, stop what I'm doing, stop everything that I'm doing, and check it out. It was, I top-sided a little bit more. I haven't bought the oil yet. I'm gonna do that sometime soon. I'm gonna show you how to do an oil change, but I'm doing this beforehand, so this is like the before stuff. You're gonna see the after stuff. Took that off, come to find out, seeing that there's no engine oil at all in the head. Oh, you mean to tell me there's no engine oil in the head at all? Like I said, I top-sided, and I rotated the engine back again to get the timing. Since everything is disconnected back there, now's the time to actually rotate the engine and see if I can get a good rotation and rotate it really well, so that way when it's rotated, it's right back at top dead set. I fixed the intakes, I fixed the cones. I can't wait till I get this welded and get rid of this look. That's where we're at now. He's cutting right now, so I won't be able to do this right now. I'm gonna wait till the cools off, plus I gotta, yeah. While I'm waiting for that process, I might as well take care of this process. What I did was, I'm about to do it behind the camera, but I was like, let me film it. I took that out. What I'm gonna do, I'm having this right up here, because I'm cutting this right here, I'm cutting that right there. These two things right there, this and that, are gonna be up here. I'm gonna cut it wide enough so both of them can fit there. But I first was thinking of putting this there and putting this down there. But as you can see, this is the lights as well for the fog lights. Kind of want to have that, so I have this cut now. There's accessories I want somewhere else. Go right into there, and that is precisely how I want it, with the light down there. So in the midst of everything, I gotta get gas. I gotta get 93. It's starting to pink a little bit because 87's in it. 87 should not go in this car. I'm putting in 93. 93 needs to go into this car. Get the oil so I can do the oil change. I have the filter, and I can do that. And so all that's good. And plus I need to get myself some extra stuff. Good to go. So yeah, word of the day. Psalm 75, chapter 1. Oh, ye give thanks to the Lord. No matter what you do, give thanks to the Lord. Any way that you can, whether it's celebrating music or just spreading the word, like I'm doing right now. That's the word of the day. That's the king take home. Spread the word. All right, guys. So got the oil. So I need this. So I got. I need your that. You're gonna need your filter, and you're gonna need a tool to take off the filter. Has a thing where I could take this part off and connect it to that. You untighten the bolt. That's how you untighten that. We're gonna watch. I'm sweating. I'm sweating. It is humid. I don't know why it's still humid, but it was cool a while ago, but now it's like a little humid. Yeah, I'm gonna catch up with you guys later. Oh, like I said, see, I cut the starting system. How it's gonna go is here. It's gonna come up this way. It's gonna come in here. The switch, the pump and everything will turn on, and I hit the start. That'll be just like me turning the ignition. That's how it goes. I'm gonna figure out how to wire this. Be all set. Kind of thinking, should I set it like this? Should I set these in here too? Like that, to flick up the switches. Then again, like I need that light. I'm going to mount this somewhere because this is the accessories. One I can use for the fuel pump. The fans automatically turn on, so I don't need the fans. And I don't know. I'll figure something out. And I gotta figure out how to wire it, and we should be good. That's where I want it. It's the right spot. How to get something so I can screw it in, like a little hole so I can screw them in. All filled with 93. So there's no more pinging. is when you run low-grade gas, it'll start to ping. Eric from CSP, we had talked, and he told me to run 90. My transportation is limited, so that's with the thing that's in front of me, which is not good at all. Yeah, there's a couple factors to put into play. That's why I'm doing all this stuff at once. Yeah, now it's all go down the list and think about what it could possibly be, and just get it. If it still does the same thing after all this stuff is done, then yeah, there's a serious problem. And yeah, fire is still full, just in case. And seeing Dragon in the sunlight. Dragon in the sunlight. Certain angles he looks good in the sun, or certain angles he doesn't look good in. So I will be right back. Alright guys. And we're back. Alright, so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna lift this up, and we're gonna start from there. Get yourself a size 15 ratchet. Mid-sized boy here. So 15. Gonna get yourself an oil pan. Put that oil pan underneath of here, like so. So what I'm gonna proceed to do, since I had to jack it up a little bit more, you put this like so, right here, and I'm going to unscrew the bolt. And you're gonna watch. So it appears that the cap was not on tight. That's odd. What I'm doing right now is I'm loosening it up, because this is a fast process. Loosening it up. So I should be back in about maybe 20 minutes. But yep, letting it drain. Don't pay attention to the noise in the background. I'm vlogging, but the oil still want to continue to keep doing stuff. Get that for the cap. There we go. That wasn't on tight either. Wow, messy job, but somebody's got to do it, and let that fall right in there. The drain. All right, guys. Oh, hopefully I'm not interrupted. When it comes time for this, actually, first before I do that, everything's stripped out. I'm gonna pull this out. All the oil is, as you can see, all the oil is drained out. And what you want to do is you want to put some clean oil on your filter. People don't do that, but I recommend you do that. Engine heats up, it's supposed to be lubed up, and that's going to, sometimes when you warm up engines and that, like, that'll make an air pocket for the oil. So always put it on there and fill this up a little bit. So as you can see, pouring oil in there, just a little bit, not a lot. Put it around the grooves. See how I have it in the grooves? Enough to put it around the grooves so I can have a good seal, and put it on like that, and then we assemble it on. Snap, quick reminder, be sure to clean off all the old excess oil first before you put new oil on. Tighten the cap, tighten the plug tight, cap tight. Torque it. Make sure that it's super tight. I'm going to tighten this up. Off camera, hold on. So plug tight, cap tight. Sorry, there's something going on right here in the screen. All I gotta do is lower it, and top it off. And now it is back in the ground, safe and sound. What I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna put that in there. It says 6 liters, no, but 6.32 something in quarts. But I'm gonna top it off at 6.5 quarts to do, you know, just give it a little something extra. And now it is topped off. Take this out and put on the lid. And that's how you change the oil on a race car, boys. That's great. Gravy, right? Besides, the white spots is leaking down from that, but pretty soon, well, hopefully you won't have to face that anymore. Alright guys, it probably will smoke a little bit because there's still the oil residue, but over time we're going to see what happens. But you want to get to a cold start, I know. knocking is gone. So guys, this is the nighttime. I did some stuff, like I was mentioning stuff, come to find out when I was with the stuff that I was talking about, it's going to be it's long enough to make it another vlog. So the recap of this will be in the next video about everything of what I've done. I want to make that its own separate vlog because I don't want to make this vlog any longer than what it needs to be. You already see it. The camera focuses. There we go. You already see Dragon looks very good in the nighttime. But you know, since it has its own vlog, you'll figure out what everything was wrong with it in that vlog. Right now I'm just going to close out. So if you like this video, be sure to like, subscribe, and comment down below. Tell me what you like about the video. Tell me what you like about the video. Why is that light shining right there? It's like just bothering me. I wanted to end this out right now. All Dragon social media is down in the links below. Dragon01, follow him. As far as the multi-channel and as far as my channel, all down in the links. They're all down below. Such an adventurous night. Oh, such an adventurous day for Dragon. Adventurous day for everything. I just wanted to end this video right now. So, if you like what you're seeing, please give this video a big thumbs up. Without guys, none of this is even possible. Give it T, Z, all the way to the end. Take care and have a great day, guys. Buh!